Morning. On today's video, I will be showing you how you can use this strategy to do what we do. And today, what we did was make a 200% gain on NASDAQ. Very simple strategy. Very simple strategy. You don't have to overthink this stuff. Here's the thing. Whenever you recognize that you have authority in the market, and what I mean by you have authority, you can control yourself. And because you can control yourself, that means that you have authority in the market. I know that doesn't make sense, Kirby. How can I have authority in the market and I can only control myself, but I cannot control the screen or the charts? Correct. You can't control the charts, but you have the authority to tell the charts, listen, I will not trade you unless you reach a certain level that I want you to reach. I will not trade you unless you do the thing that I want you to do. Right. So whenever you make that up in your mind that, hey, look, I have a strategy. I have things that I do a certain way, and I'm only going to do those things whenever the market does what I want the market to do. All right. And listen, and whenever you are in Christ, whenever you are in Christ Jesus, listen, you can do this. You can be really, really good at this. You can have peace and joy while you're doing this. It doesn't have to be stressful. Don't make it stressful. Okay. Now, I've said all that. Before I show you the strategy, I do want to show you what we are actually doing over here and what this setup room is all about. If you come over here, this is, you will see it says 48 Trading, which is my website. And also I have another YouTube channel that is called 48 Trading, where I talk about Bible and trading. So it's so cool. But in this setup room, we have NASDAQ, we have EUR set up, and also SPY. So this is for indices traders, futures traders that love NASDAQ. We have Forex traders that simply love just trading EUR USD, and also SPY. Now, if you want to come take these trades with me every morning, it is $64.99 and it's $130. You got goes on tier 1 and goes on tier 2. All right. Now, how this would actually look, I know I'm saying all this stuff, but how this would actually look is this. Every morning at 6 a.m. to 6:10 a.m. Eastern time, you will see a screenshot update and also a video. All right. So what this screenshot what this screenshot is, I will be sending you the go zone. So all you have to do is chart your screen just like my screen is charted. And we would have it up. It would be so easy, so simple. It won't be a bunch of stuff on the screen. Literally what you're seeing right now is what you'll probably be getting consistently. Like that's it. Just very basic. But on the video aspect above, I will be actually explaining how we will be trading at those go zones setups. So the cool thing about this is you don't have to like get a buy signal, sell signal, and you're getting in too late. No, you can set up your chart the same way my chart is set up. And you could take the trades at your convenient time. You can take the trade how you want to take the trade. And this is not only like going to help you to take accurate trades, but you will be developing as a trader, which is so important. You're going to be you're going to see why we're doing what we're doing instead of you just getting a signal. Okay. So this is an absolute game changer. The testimonies have been amazing. And I'm also able just to see what we're doing each day. And this, man, the Lord has been good. Okay. Now, let's get on to for today. What are we seeing today? What are we seeing on NASDAQ today? Let's get into it. So as we can see, we are in an uptrend right here. Very simple, very simple. But right here, we are in a downtrend. Now, all these different things matter, okay? All these little different things matter. So the first thing I'm seeing, okay, if we have been in this uptrend, we're just going to go from the bottom and we're just going to drag it to the top. Boom. Okay. Once I seen that, oh my gosh, it is 5:45 and we're already sitting on the gold zone. We didn't have any time to hesitate. So I had to go ahead and send out signals, well, not signals, but the video and also screenshots. We had to do it a little bit earlier because we were literally sitting on go zone on this particular morning. All right. So all we're going to do is look for a long position here. But why are we looking for a long position here? Because price has been respecting this level, and we're simply going to follow the rhythm of the market. We're not going to do anything extra. We're simply going to follow the rhythm of the market. Stop loss that we had this particular day was at 25. So we're just going to take this long position. That was literally all. That was it. Very simple. I know it is 6 a.m. in the morning. Now, remember this, whenever you're trading in the morning, a lot more gold zones are respected, okay? Now, our setups are would not just be you getting into the market in the morning. No, it could be you might not get into well. When I say getting to the market in the morning, I mean early morning, right? Pre-market. There will be times where we have our setup and gold zone doesn't reach until 10 a.m. And there's proof of that. If you just go watch my last EUR USD setup, that trade didn't take place until like 10 or 11 a.m. And we set up the gold zone at 6 a.m. So but on this particular morning, we're just going to follow the rhythm of the market. Price has touched this gold zone. Price has respected this level here and respect this level here. So we're just going to simply just stay within that realm. We're not going to do anything extra. And boom. And that's all she wrote. Price absolutely took off. And then eventually it did break to the downside, but you was able to take so much profit before then. This was just a absolute really, really good trade. Really, really good trade. This would have been a great exit point because we have this high wick right here, which created this double top for a pushback down to the downside. So look, that is it, y'all. That was very easy, very smooth. Simply, we're just following the rhythm of the market. We have an uptrend here. We got price respecting, price respecting. This price came down to respect this level here. Y'all, we're not going to do anything extra. We're just simply going to follow this. Even if you would have got in, you've seen this double top and you start to see price begin to fly down, you could have reversed positions and got in for this short position. As soon as price began to break out, you got to close beneath. The price came back up. You could have took this back to the downside for some more profit. But yeah, God bless you, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.